This is a quick video to show how you might use tables in a Google document in order to create a rubric. It's very similar to using Microsoft Word to do the same. In this case, I have a new Google Doc. I go up to Insert, Table, and here we have a grid that expands to the size I need. When I think about I need a header, I need a column on the left to show the names of the categories, and so on, I might settle on something the size of this. I click, and so I've got my table created here. I might put my categories again across the top, whatever they are. And then I have places to define the criteria further with some phrases and sentences. I can use the arrow keys on my keyboard to move from column to column or row to row. More criteria. In this case, the size of the cells will expand as I type more. But you can also manually adjust the size of the rows by hovering over the lines, making movements there. You can put in names for the criteria, whatever they might be. And you can add scale of numbers. And so on. You can also, if you realize you need another row, you can right-click and insert a row below, or you can right-click and insert a column to the right. In the same way, you can remove columns to delete rows or columns. You can also color the background, but it's a little different than Microsoft Word here. In this case, I need to right-click after I highlight what I want to change and go to Table Properties. This is where you'll find a number of things that are different in Google Doc than in Microsoft Word. Here I can change the border color, can give it a background color to the cells I have lined up. I can tell the alignment to be top, middle, or bottom for that particular cell or rows of cells. I can also set minimum row height and alignment and so on. Click OK, and now I have a colored background behind those. Otherwise, it's similar to the idea of using Microsoft Word. And this being a Google Doc means you just have to name it and then make sure it's in the right place to save it in Google Drive. There will be another video to show that kind of information.